welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. BJP workers unhappy with government feel deprived of government jobs. CM inaccessible. CM says 95% jobs go to BJP-linked people. Party's attempt to know Goenkaars' pulse. Economic offence cell crackdown on property fraudsters may lead to arrest of more big fishes. CM says government servants found in such fraud will not be spared. Infrastructure upgradation worth 48 crores for exposition. Heavy police force, CCTVs for lane roads. NGOs demand heritage master plan for Old Goa. Registrar office suspends LDC in corruption case. Chief Registrar asked for documents and books, says case might be handled over to Vigilance Department. And different courts squashed 3 different petitions by Advocate Iris Rodriguez. Providoria case against CM, Salve case against AG dismissed by court. And FC Goa bank on experience of legendary coach Zico and former Arsenal star Robert Pires to guide youngsters in opening ISL season. Now the news in detail. BJP karyakartas literally bombarded Chief Minister with complaints and negative feedback during their closed-door meeting on Friday. Karyakartas' prime complaint was that unavailability of CM on telephone. They are also upset that they are deprived of government jobs. CM, while answering, said that BJP workers are unaware about the circumstances in which he is running the government and around 95% government jobs were allotted to BJP supporters.
BJP office bearers and karyakartas held a meeting at Gomanta Maratha Samaj Hall on Friday. Chief Minister and other MLAs were present. Meeting majorly discussed 2 issues: how to take ahead Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and feedback of karyakartas on completion of 2.5 years by the government. Karyakartas bombarded CM with complaints and grudges. These were BJP workers' grievances. BJP workers do not get government jobs. CM not available personally and not even on mobile. Work not done properly in constituencies. Chief Minister also replied in his typical style. He said to karyakartas, "You don't know in what circumstances I am running the government in absence of strong treasury." This was CM's response. 95% government jobs given to BJP workers or people close to party. If there was no development, then how come so much infrastructure was raised? People's verdict in Lok Sabha poll suggests that party is on right track. Right now, government facing deficit of 1,500 crores. 1,200 crores spent on infrastructure development despite of 1,500 crores deficit. You don't have vision, that is the reason you can't see development, CM said to karyakartas. I am inaccessible as I am busy doing work, CM to karyakartas. Digambar Kamath had ample amount of time for people as he didn't had much work, said CM. Prudent contacted party president Vinay Tendulkar to know why exactly the karyakartas were miffed with government. Tendulkar said all is well.
श्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदींचे म्हटलेला तो कार्यक्रम दिला निर्मल भारत स्वच्छ भारत त्याचो एक भाग म्हणून निर्मल गोय आणि सुंदर गोय हो कार्यक्रम घेवपाचो. त्याच बरोबर कार्यक्रमाक आमी आयचे बैठकीक सगळे कार्यकर्त्यांक एक ओपन प्लॅटफॉर्म दिल्लो. गेले 2.5 वर्सां सरकाराचें जे हांगसर काम चल्लां त्या कामा बद्दल आसूं किंवा कितें सूचना करपा आसा ह्या सरकाराक जाल्यार प्रत्येक कार्यकर्त्याक एक वरभर दिल्लें आनी येणाऱ्या काळा भितर ज्यो ज्यो कितें त्रुटी आहा त्यो पयस जातल्यो.
रिस्पॉन्स कसो आसलो लोकांचो? अशें आयकता की सीएम सुद्दां अपसेट जालो रिस्पॉन्स.
अपसेट जावना सीएमान कार्यकर्त्याचे वयल्यान कौतुक केलें जे मुख्यमंत्री आसतना सरळ आमचे खंय त्रुटी आसा कितें आसा त्यो सांगपाक कार्यकर्त्याक संद मेळ्ळी. त्या सरकारा बद्दल बरे खूब कार्यकर्ते उलयले आनी मुख्यमंत्री हेतून अपसेट कांय जावना.
Chief Minister was supposed to prepare a report card of ministers this month, but now he has postponed it following split of BJP and Shiv Sena in Maharashtra. He says right now state BJP's priority is to share the burden and campaign rigorously for party in Maharashtra assembly poll. Bureau Report Prudent.
The recent arrest of a land fraudster may lead to few more arrests from the land sellers racket. Chief Minister has assured that government servants, if found involved in fraudulent land deals, will not be spared. Economic Offence Cell has cracked 4 cases and is probing more. EOC had nabbed a member of a gang who has sold properties by forging the documents in the name of actual owner of properties by impersonating them and executing fraudulent sale deeds of their properties.
Economic Offence Cell, after intense investigation of over 6 months, has cracked 4 cases of fraudulent sale of land. Police have arrested one key member of the gang who had sold the property of a dead person. This arrest will likely lead to nabbing of other fraudsters.
Mostly happened during last 10 years. Now there is not a single case. But I think 6 cases we have got similar identified. 4 cases. We have identified 4.
CM has assured action against the government servants if found involved in fraudulent sale of lands.
Investigation will reveal everything. Once investigation is complete, now the kingpin who signed as owner, who was dead 10 years back, has been caught. So let them interrogate and find out who are involved.
If government officers are involved,
if any culprit will be treated as a culprit. I think that is a reply to it. But it has to be established. If someone is government servant, then it has to be beyond doubt established that he is involved.
Economic Offence Cell has arrested Stephen Elvis D'Souza for his involvement in the fraudulent sale of properties. Parikar said prosecution will try its level best so that the accused does not get the bail.
I only hope that they don't get bail so easily.
With Bureau Inputs, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
LDC in Ponda Registrar's office, Bhopal Goenkaars, has been suspended pending inquiry. The suspension is a result of an accusation by some people that the LDC charged them 1,500 rupees for change in name, while the actual fee is just 100 rupees. Chief Registrar Pandharinath Bodkar informed Prudent that strict action has been initiated and receipt books and documents from the Registrar's office have been called for. He said if needed, the case will be handed over to the Vigilance Department.
Bhopal Goenkaars, who was working as the lower division clerk, has been suspended pending further inquiry. He is accused of charging people of exorbitant fees for a change in name. Complainants say the actual notified fees are just 100 rupees. Chief Registrar informed that clerk has been suspended and all the receipt-related documents have been called for.
Already आम्ही ताजेकडे book सगळं original book आणि सगळे मागला what receipt book in आणि then we will see exactly आणि disciplinary action मध्ये पहिले धक्का ताका suspend केला आम्ही then we will I have called all the books from him original receipt book हे book तो book आणि xerox copy दिले हाती वही book सगळे हाडून लायले and then आमका if need arises then फुडले किती तरी आम्ही घेतले नाही ताजे suppose if he found guilty then definitely termination will take place. I can give it to the vigilance department also. We can ask the vigilance department inquire. Inquiry appointment म्हणजे committee करची पडली माका मागी त्याप्रमाणे हे करची पडणार पण he will be placed under suspension till then.
The episode hints at being yet another case of corruption in the government offices like the exposed system in the RTO. Yuvraj Naik and Prakash Dande have alleged corruption in Ponda Registrar's office. A clerk has allegedly charged 1,500 rupees from a person for change in name process. Actually, the notified amount to be charged is just 100 rupees. Reporters Mahesh Gadi and Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
3 petitions by Advocate Iris Rodriguez have been quashed by different courts. Petition against CM, AG and senior lawyer Saresh Lotlikar have been dismissed by JMFC and special courts respectively. Iris had filed petition against CM in Providoria case, against AG in Sania Salve's Special Marriage Act case and a contempt petition against Advocate Saresh Lotlikar. Advocate General of Goa Atmaram Nadkarni confirmed the dismissals.
Panaji police station complaint केली. Panaji police station ताजे reject केले. Against that he went to magistrate.
Okay.
Under 156(3) of CRPC. Magistrate dismiss केली. Against that he went to High Court. So when High Court wanted to dismiss it, he withdrew his petition. Then he came back to magistrate and filed a private complaint. That private complaint came to be dismissed today. That is all regarding Special Marriage Act.
Okay.
It was against me and Harish Salve's daughter. Then he had filed contempt petition against Lotlikar. Special government advocate who was appearing in the matter. That also is dismissed. Similarly, he had filed one complaint against Chief Minister regarding appointment in Provedoria. That also is dismissed by the special court.
Okay.
So all complaints, everything is dismissed. And incidentally, you can recall in the High Court judgment, then a writ petition filed केला High Court challenging the act. जो आपण आम्ही हे केलं आणि appointment of marriage officer.
Yeah, right.
That he had challenged. That petition came to be dismissed by the High Court twice. In that, the High Court has observed that he is not a bona fide petitioner.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.